once again, today is about November 10, no? Again, special thanks, no? Special thanks for the following, no? They're uh, spreading the good news, for spreading the good news, the Freedom, Google, YouTube, Facebook, and to all the viewers, especially today, sa ito nakita nga ni-increase, no? Ato subscribers, di ka 23, nabot na ron og 29, no? Again, with that word lang, malagi na, no? Sus, di lalim nga ako, nakita naman ko na ito is about sorry ka, wala na yung mga pasyente nga itong video diha, kaya wala naman yung patriot ng Pilipino, no? In which lagi nga, Carlo na, but anyway, okay ra, kaya maybe my brothers and sisters makasabot na siguro this time, no? Malagi na, grabe tag-research, and this is about 4 years na, no? O 14 years, no? Then 2 years ta aning Arwin Ergometer, no? Again, Arwin Ergometer, no? So, then, I would like to thanks, no? Then, just type Hearty Satina, Arwin Ergometer, stress test, okay? O pwede pag stress test, no? We are there, no? Ergometer, nga, they give us earnings by which mo na gipaabot sa mga Pilipino, no? Tinuod bag no, kadawat bagi kuno tag dollar na account, no? Kuan nga to nga, hopefully ang freedom pada sila ni message sila about 31st, no? Ang YouTube after na naka $100 ipadada nila, no? Again, so here and to the whole country, no? Nga, again, this is for you, yeah? This is first for me in the whole world, yeah? Kaya wa pa magid ni nani mabita nang ma-amaze ang mga tao nga unsa man na, no? Maglalis sila in which do from the developer of the Durano Industries there, yeah? Durano Industries Incorporated, no? In cooperation with San Miguel Beer Corporation, environmental friendly, no? Here, air pollution, wala, you know, just San Miglite, the first San Miglite electric one, E1 means to say electric, no? Electric scooter Grand Prix or race, no? Cat designed for aerodynamics, no? So here, our press conference, but last June 22, 2002, at the Yala, no? Again, here, the inventor, no? Again, scooter race from 2000 to 2004 by designer, redeveloper, study and research and invented, no? The Arwin Ergometer, 2012 to present, no? So here, mo lagi na itong gipangkat, you know? So mo ni products from China, electric scooter nila, sus, di maging mahalin, no? Lisod mahalin nun, by which we perform this one, yeah? Again, atong gipangkat, no? Sus, ipangputol ta ni siya here, no? And then mo ni siya gigamit sa champion, no? Ni Anwar, no? Mo ni gamit sa champion ni Anwar. So here, again, mo ni siya, no? Nya gikat na to true aerodynamic, then the manubila, then the lingkuranan, by which mo ni siya karaan, no? So here ang forma niya sa karaan. Again, there, no? Again, made from China, then developed by Hearty, no? So loading capacity 75 kilograms, by which nga here the race, no? Again, no? E1 repetition, papa ni Arwin Gale, no? Arwin Ergometer, mo ni siya, no? Ang tarpaulin niya, CEO, DII, Secretary of Tourism, formerly Joseph H. Durano, Ministry promote, no? Electric scooter used to boost sports tourism. Again, overall champion, Mr. Anwar Satina there. And then my launching at the Ayala, yeah, together with the San Miguel Beer Corporation. And then me, yeah, in the electric scooter, by which we don't wala to gamit auto, no? In which nga ang mga tao, ang mga sito, mga tao na, uy, sa man, no? Bago lagi kayo. Again, yeah, first in the whole world, pa man kay sa test drive pa man sa Mexico, nag-test drive sila sa ilahang bus, no? Nga electric powered na. Again, electric powered na. But we're done, no? We are racing pagid, no? Yeah, here, the success of that, no? The Durano Industries Incorporated, the DII group of companies, binuwis lagi, no? Here, this is our office, yeah. That's the delivery van here in MG Quinco. This is the DII Kamotis in the so puro kamotis, no? Mani siya ang katong commodities. Therefore, the distributory. And then there, this is the service of the delivery truck in the kamotis. So, this is our shipping, no? The MBE Santo Niño 23, in which we are the owner. So, again, New Frontier Industry Incorporated, no? By which here, the name, Hearty Satina there, yeah? Again, money here, office po dito sa commodities and sa distributory, no? So, here, from the product of Chunlan, for group, no? Electric scooter, commodities, shipping, arase, and that's all, no? Again, that's all. Our experience together with the trust and faith, and thank you to Congressman A. Durano, no? Nga, sa iyang tabang so na by which lagi katong na-share pinanak ako financial expenses, no? Nakoy financial support with the Congressman, no? Again, ako may matubang kay busy ko kay Congressman A. Durano, no? So ako mga transact sa mga tao, may ideas, it's all, no? Ang ginakuha lang ikuan about the trust and faith, lagi, no? Trust and faith to Congressman, and then kuan lang is about nga napatawag lang siya sa niya kuan lang, no? Kung na-promoted lang siya sa Republic of the Philippines ni Gloria Macapagal-Arroyo, President, no? Nga gikuha siya og Secretary of Tourism. So mo na ito naundang, no? Again, malagi na nga po ang i-continue lang ako. I've been there, no? So here, isuta og ang athlete, no? So we are the coach of celebrity Duna Cruz, no? There. And then sa Chungbian Super Kids, the triathlon, no? Here's in Macau, yeah? Coach Titani, owner of the Cebu Doctors, Dr. Yong Rasabal, there. And then Mali Hobson, the Boston Marathoner, and celebrity coach of the Martista, you know, si Willie Chili. And then champion siya sa Ironman, Mr. Noy Hobson from the Alaska, no? Then yung sister is karon champion sa Ironman, Cobra Ironman 2014, here in the Philippines, yeah, held at Cebu. So there, again, we are also an athlete, no? Dr. Veralio and Jack, no? We qualified for the championship of the Milo Marathon in Manila. Then, this is the Wolverhampton Marathon together with my mom, no? There. Then, the Milo staff, no? Which lagi nga, kita ko sa artista, no? There. Okay, here, again, from the developer that into this one, yeah? So, naabot na siya. Arwin Ergometer, no? There. So, mo niya itong ano? Letterhead, together with the logo, ang logo heart of kanang brain, no? So again, pinunit ni, yung gibutang na tog stress test, no? So og aldra na ta sa anhan tas FM Sarela, ikata ni siyang nasuga siya, no? Or katong fan nga makuha na to ang tawo, makuha lagi mo mata, no? By which here, the Arwin Ergometer, no? There. So first Arwin Ergometer Basketball Cup means to say no nga ana kita sa mga kuha, no? Kanang patawhan labi, especially for the kids, no? Mulagi na nga more na to educate the kids today, no? Kaya malagi na ito sa una nga, pamatsyon kong tao, dili kasalbahe sa po, mo means to say the kids, no? Okay? Wa pa man kayo fresh from my lang mind, i-input nimo, nindot kayo ng mga ideas. So, that's it, no? Again, from the helping the environment, government away air pollution, the electric scooter. This is Papa ni Arwin Gale, no? This is Anwar, no? With study and research from the redevelopment and redesigner, no? Then, karon is the health and medicine, yeah? Health and medicine, the redesigning of the developer of the year 2010 to 100 now, no? The Moria po, no, sa Arwin Ergometer official seed from the Cebu City. They're no, much more fun here in Cebu, Philippines, yeah, because this one, no, artist pure care, no, operation, no, injection, no, medicine, no? Yeah, with the heart, ang logo, and the brain, no? Arwin Ergometer, no? Again, Arwin Ergometer from the British Heart Foundation there. Special thanks, no? Special thanks, no? Tambal dili tumaron, no? Tambal dili tumaron, medicine, not taken orally, gamot, hindi inumin, by which ato pa nang kuha na Russia, aking number top countries, no? By which Germany, ato nang ako nang tunan, and then the France, no? Also, and then American Heart Association, no? Again, from Freedom, Facebook, Google, YouTube, by which, no? Karon makita nimo sa tuang ato ang kuha na ni pag-research niya natong na yes, no? Wa gitay Sunstar, wa the prima nga ano, means to say that's whole world, yeah? Means to say that's whole world. Okay, modified there, all in the stress test, no? For electronic millennium test procedure, muna itong i-develop, no? I-modified ang test procedure, giselect na itong stationary bike, ang test machine, no? Ang test machine, no? There, so karon, muna na-come up, no? Uy, giputol na itong lingkuranan, gara, no? Cutting the lingkuranan, and cutting the bike, so no need to balance. Ano mo ka special sa Arwin Ergometer? This is the Arwin Ergometer, yeah? So, giputol lingkuranan. The rest is intellectual property, no? The rest is intellectual property na natin gipang-usab, yeah? When which lagi, no balance needed, no? Here, sus, no? Siksi kayo, no? Again, this one, cutting, no? No pain on the buttocks or lubot, no? So, malingkod ka. Again, monino, at nagiputol. So, here, ispinanta ka nga sa mga nung. So here, no, best model back part of the eye, back in, no. So kanipso siksi kay gatibak, no. Then where's the artery? Yeah, here. So the artery ni siya, no. The sciatic artery, the femoral artery, the peroneal arteries, mo na dagko kay nga artery by which lagi kanang gitawag og fat wallet syndrome. Mo na siya mga daghang kwartas bulsa ba, no. Kaya daghang baga kayo, mo na ma-clog up ang artery, mo na pain and numbness na tayo, no. There. So babae ni siya nga tibak, lalaki po din nga tibak. I-balance mo, no. I-balance mo. So there we cut it, no? Again, so gikuha na to the research, no? Sa Casey Spinner, yeah? Giputol na, no? From the John Hopkins School of Hospital and Medicine, yeah? There, so stress test. This is Arwin Gale, no? You use niya iyahang foot, by which the patient is also Arwin Ergometer, no? Nga, sus na hospital bed pa gino, mag-isod nga ikuha, ginawa, no? Again, there, no? So, kamot, o tiil, anak na to specialize ang Arwin Ergometer. This is the kids, no? Malagi na ang kids today problems about exercise, no? So, this is from the shuttle hospital. This is for the NASA, for the Virgin Galactic Space Shuttle, no? Sorry kayo, disgrasya, no? So, Boris, from London, no? Again, this is from the NASA and cosmonaut no nga ma-exercise pa mga isla dito sa moon. Kita na baka no? Ang himo to nang baon ninyo no. So here from America, no? Again, so here no, again, ipamutol na to na in which lagi no pain on the buttocks, no need of the balance by which lagi no. Here 8-in-1 Arwin ergometer is 8-in-1. What is it no? Watching TV exercises the heart. Both foot can use for the amputee also no. Kids friendly because the body of kissing Cartoon Network. And the 4 no need of balance, no pain in the buttocks. No, the 5 is about sit like a king and queen, prince and princess, no? Safety, no dog bites, no pollution, no vehicular accident. No, Number 7 is portable, no? If nahurot na imong dopamine in the brain by which maboard na ka mo nang uban ilabay, uban di na mo exercise. Hoy, special kay mo no guys. Mountain, beach, and park. And we also have a video that the spare parts and maintenance repairs can upgrade. Again, namo nang huwa gid no. So here no, again, Darwin ergometer. Uy, sit like a king and queen na rin mo lingkurana no. Again, then the heart is pure care no. Mo lagi na explanation is about the anatomy of the body. Muna siya Biblia, hot packs and tends to vasodilate the artery, massage no, the blood pump no, alcohol and lotion. Strengthening is the gasoline and brain, posel sa brain no. And then Arwin ergometer para sa heart, you know. Again, there, so pwede po lagi na mga bangko, no? Again, sit like a king and queen, friends and princess, with a showroom address ya at Rodriguez Street, Cebu City, no? Telephone number 253-4581, email ad, heartistina@gmail.com, manufactured by, no? Heartis Pure Care, so nagkuha na tayo sa DTI, no? So here, no? Sa una na to, mo ni siya now, there, niya, gidevelop na to into racing, no? Clean the environment. Now here, Heartis Pure Care is about helping people's health. Again, people's health, no? So, maulagyan natin na, no? Again, so nakuha na to, no? It's about here. Display na to. Again, isang cartooners sa kalsada. Now here, no? Again, pakita lagi ba ng taon to? Money, no? By which lagi here. When money, no? Again, pero nakasabot mo ito ang tao, no? Muhutang lagi ka pa makayuan nga. Masabta lagi. Which masabta ra. Again, magpaabot kami sa mong lat, no? Nga mahalin. By which lagi nga, more na itong ipaabot. In which the marketing and sales ato nang ikuan no, in which wala tay patient maybe my master nga gipa-study gid ko na nga makasabot gid mo nga once lagi the eyes can see and ears can hear, perfect for the brain. So inigawas Arwin ergometer no. So here again ato ikuan gitangtang tani kin mo ni no. So nga tuang Arwin ergometer ni-launch ini gawas ito sa market no. So dili lagi mga sexy, mga gwapog mga gwapa no. Sa oxygen machine o tangke no. Again, di papauli na pa-hospital bitaw sila kay magpatambal. Uy, papuli na noon sa hospital niya. Pabaw na ng oxygen machine o tangke. Uwa na di ka ginawa. Uy, buhi ka sila. But buhi man no? Again, together with the trust and faith, family support, and prayers, no? Again, so here, the new Arwin ergometer gagahapon pa rin, no? 9 siya nakuan. I-upgrade na to in which lagi nga sige tang nakuan, no? Research and study. So here, for the triathlon, balik ka, no? So here, no, again, Arwin ergometers, based on there, that's food so-called pa sa una, no? There, no, again here, and here, about itong, there, no? So una, 31 countries, 31 kabuk atong manufactured na, but, no, ato sang gistap kay quality na, no? So here, again, here, and here, no? And here, so, akan kinag, no? Dili na siya taghap lang lagi. This is Merry Christmas, yeah, in advance, no? Again, shock absorber, no? There you are, no? Shock absorber ng Arwin ergometer by which lagi nga para masabtan ng mga tao igamit na ako mo ni sticker no. So here na sit like a king and queen there no, stationary bike, treadmill mo lagi na nga tuwa para masabtan gid sa tao kay dili lagi kasabot di gid mo ko ano nya mura bay tambal nga dili tumaron. So here ato ipakita no atubangan sa ani. Okay here again, thank you for the YouTube no. Nya indot pa to message sa YouTube nga you inspired people na no. Mo lagi na nga kadindot na kasabot-sabot na you inspired people no. Again here kinsa bugutay ganahan lumatay again mo again no how you care your loved ones yeah. So here so kini karaan no ang karaan ang bag-o again pero mo gawas is nagdungan so ano kay medyo expensive din gamay but anyway this is 4,500 yan the budget niya mo lagi niya na natin order nga 30 ka buok but sorry no kay pagitel yuto pamagay ulos mga itani ko ano ni Mr. Nilo Matunog, no? Naging tong consultant og si Roy Cabanya, ya, Roy Cabanya, si Roy no kana sa Motolite. Again, kulos pa tanag money niya karon. Kinanglan na po ta kay ato ni upload niya ato papanindot to no. In which here no, again para pagid masabtan sa commerce bad my fellow men, no, my brothers and sisters Filipino, ako na po naghimo ron og kiningkoy, no, by which lagi tanan nimo nga I've been there as a coach atong gikuha, no. So here man ni atong bag-o, no, nga together nga ibutang kining kuha, no, kanang kiningkoy, no. So here, no, from YouTube, they have modified all in stress test in hospital, yeah, there, no. Again, question and answer na parang so mo ni siya letterhead, no, nya dayon ni katong sa ubos mo na mga drawing sa mga karaan yung sports. So here, question and answer. What is a stress test? Test usually involves walking on a treadmill, riding a stationary bike, by which wa gid dia inyong sports, no, bicycle, kana boxing, basket, wa gid, no, by which lagi di ba siya sports, no. Again mo siya tambal nga dili maron akong giana, no, with this beginner tips, no, from this is the heart, no, the cancer, no, cancer ability lahat, no, again heart is no operation injection niya Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday, no, ang Sunday sa batad mo sa kung ano kanang park or public mall, public or mall ba something nga ma-amaze yung brain, no. Again, easy training program, no, direct na yung specialized pagid heart muscles, no. Arwin ergometer tambal dito maro, no. 125 timan ila ng 125 is 1 hour continuous without stopping, resistance, tension and break 2 times a week, no. Again 5 minutes the water station, no. Again 5 minutes peligro ka na, no, kay mo-collapse ka na, by which lagi sa hospital Kutub last 12 minutes, again from the Harvard University, notes from the coach Harky Satina, wa pa na nato pirmahi, no. So 1 hour ato gibalik para di malidsa sa tao, by which free ni siya sa training program, free ni siya sa Arwin ergometer ug palit ka, no. Mano resistance, retention, break. Okay, here what's kinsa man ta Harky Satina kay mauwam ka, no. So here the first celebrity naka-finish of full marathon here in the Philippines is Miss Donna Cruz, no. Miss Donna Cruz kato nagkanta sa kapag tumibok ang puso wala ka nang magagawa kundi sundin ito. And I hope si Donna, no, nga matabang siya sa mga poor, no, nga para taon ni sa pobre ni Miss niya yang coach mao pud siya world na pud niya, no, world history na pud niya. Then the Salimbangon Super Kids, no, the Salimbangon adult there, no. Okay, who is Salimbangon, no? Kuan isa ni Congressman, no, Benhur Salimbangon from Bugo. Ang iyang sister si Marikita, no, in which nga malagi nang the way kuan is Diamond ko nga sa tycoon in the Hong Kong, no. Again ni trust magisla nato. And then si Dr. Yong kita po nag-treat ni Dr. Yong sa una, no. So here again, no, ato nang gikuan in which here heart is pure care, yeah. Again, so wala tayo nalimta, no. Again, sige lang ato i-upgrade tayo mo. This is for the signages, yeah. This is for the signages, which murag ang nalay depicted bo ani sa murag more lang color kayo, no, by which lagi nga gi-characterize this machine kanang sa mga magazine kay naman tay kwarta og buwan lagi ang kinirigin ang color ani sa Arwin ergometer lagi mausab ani, no, by which heart and brain, no. Mao to sa una giusab nato ang logo kay common ra kay to kini ako, makasabot ang mata, makakita ang mata, makadungog ang dunggan, perfect for the brainstem. Here's the brainstem, yeah, there, no, kana number 3. So here's the brainstem, and then the heart, no, in which pula is the artery, blue is the veins. Again, muna, no, blue is the veins. Again, mas may na ma-educate mo, again, education, yeah. Matod pa ni Malala, you can shoot my body, but not my dreams, no. Kang Harty, how many miracles pa ang imong kailangan? Harty Satina po, naka-Arwin ergometer.